Tiếng thầy đâu khơi mỏ đây mấy à hey hey free movement regime li tum na chung chang gan du lo na le helai zir lai porten do zel kan tum dan te memorandum kan an thehlut ani ya tin article 371 g a po khan Mizoram chuan parliament pass khel lo chuan thil eng mo han ti dong khan skill la rang te khatin the Mizoram kha ron zel niang ti te po kha oma khanga te po khan article 371 g base te pon Mizoram sarkar te pon an dawlet tura kan han ngai deuh boka free movement regime le border fencing Burma te ne kan rina helai zo fa te vek kan in kalpo thei na tura hetiang malang na omi kan du lo khop maya tin Burma ne kan in rina an boundary fencing an nei don ni chon Pakistan le India in rina te China le India in rina te han ti ve sela kan du khop maya chung te chu wang chu voin ya chon prime minister hnenah chu memorandum thehlut ma saila tin hemi chungchangah hian malak chho zel po kan tuma kai ta tolin kan relanga ma kan lak zel ka ring thei tokin kan do don ani
kan ga do kan lo bu ti rang ga rin tu la ti rin kan lo thon bang chu
ale
kon do tang ku jal sa bedang chi chu
ale
tu sa tinge lo ho don
tu kan lo ho ni ka kum ben lo ho
ale alo ame
kan lo oh ke ma
le alo ame
kan lo tu ke kan kal leng
alo ame article 371 g hey voin ya governor Mizoram governor kaltlangin prime minister memorandum kan thehluta free movement regime le border fencing tungna thi thalo kan ti hle maya helai article 371 g ate po hian chiang deuh hian a in zia ka Mizoram jan secular le hetiang kai hnoi renga chuan Mizoram sarkar ron hmasa ni yang ti a oma chungte po chu kan du lo chan te zinga te tin helai border fencing tum ringot po hi hetilai mala ka tumani chon India le Pakistan in rina te China le India in rina te han ti tum masa sela vai ho hian in central vai ho hian min zom lu tuka India government hian in chuwang chuan MZP chon na takin kan do zel dona na zokin kan kal dona ti tu tu lo oma piang kan ti chhodon ni tilai hi mi puita shia da ka sei du ni e
by administrative division since the colonial period. Despite this division, we do not feel separated due to this free regime movement instituted by the government of India. It enables us to participate each other in the funeral rites, marriage ceremonies, pay visit to the patients at home, join the religious meeting, and engage in local level sport tournament. The recent decision to terminate the regime is now taking away this essential aspect and depriving us our rights as a human being. As Government of India is a supporter of the UN Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples, Article 36 clearly mentioned that the indigenous peoples who have been divided by the international boundary should be given a free movement. And also in Article 371, it clearly mentioned that the social and religious practice of the Mizo people should be respected. We submitted today our memorandum to the Prime Minister of India. We also gave the copy to the Vice President of India, Union Home Minister, Governor of Mizoram, and the Union Home Secretary. We hope that our request should be given priority and understand the mentality, and our requests were given priority by the Government of India. Thank you.